What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Roy, and I'm back with another video. And today's video is pretty much started out as a short, so that's why it's in the vertical angle instead of the wide angle. I was just gonna make a quick short video of the headlights that I just installed on my Pop's 86 Silverado, but he kept doing stuff. I kept recording, and it turned out, we went up the road, we ended up riding up the road or whatever, and just the video got longer and longer. It's still a short video, but it's longer than the time frame needed in order to post it as a short. So anyway, that's why today's video is in this angle. So adjust your screens accordingly, and yeah, check out Pop's truck, man. Oh yeah, and if you like the truck, man, leave a thumbs up, bro. It ain't gonna hurt you. Just bing, it's free. Just hit a thumbs up. Let me know you like the truck, and also drop a comment below. Let me know what you think of the truck, man. Which set of headlights did you like the most? Did you like the running lights that I added on it, which he ended up changing the way it was wiring when I wasn't up there, and I don't like that. But anywho, leave a comment below, leave a thumbs up or a thumb down if you don't like it. Just let me know, man. I'm trying to see what's up. Right? Yeah, they work right.
That would have calmed myself down.
Yeah, but you squeezed it too tight and broke it.
Huh?
Yeah, test them out.
Come on.
Hang on. All right, go the other one. Oh yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, they working.
Oh.
Yeah, crank it up. They blinking.
Huh?
They on, but you gotta crank it up. They ain't got no good ground or something. You get that side marker change. Turn your park lights off. Turn the park light off and back on. lights wired up as running lights, so the truck looks good even with the lights off. Just gonna turn them on right here. Headlights look pretty good.
I got water in that tank.
Got water in the tank.
Y'all, that still look good.
One week and headlight swap later. What y'all think, man? Which headlights look better in there? The ones we had in there before are these. He loved these. He called these snake eyes. So I don't know. All that matters is what he likes, I guess. All them snake eyes. Spinning, you ain't winning. Supposed to be looking at his headlights. He out here wasting rubber. Pretty good though. Big Bruno. Turn them off. Turn them off. Turn them off. All right, turn them back on. Remember I told you earlier how he changed up the way I had the LEDs wired up? Now it doesn't look as good as it did before when they was wired up on the running light. I just wanted to throw that in there. What y'all think, man? Drop a comment below and let me know what y'all think. First or the second one? I tell them to like, comment, and subscribe.
Like,
Comment,
comment,
subscribe.
subscribe. Man, got that for 1 more $5.